Hello everyone, today's video is about a full-time remote opportunity as a customer support representative. This opportunity is with a company called High Level, which is a cloud-based all-in-one white label marketing and sales platform. And the company empowers marketing agencies, entrepreneurs and businesses to elevate their digital presence and drive growth. And the company is focusing on streamlining marketing efforts and providing comprehensive solutions, and the company helps businesses of all sizes achieving their marketing goals. The company currently has 1,000 plus employees across 15 countries working remotely, as well as in their own headquarters, which is located in Dallas, Texas. Now let's check out about the details. The primary role of the customer support representative would be to act as a technical resource to their customer base for high levels suite of software features. A qualified customer support representative possesses the ability to troubleshoot product issues and has experience supporting software solutions, preferably within the technology industry. Here, the company is looking for someone who has some experience in the field of technical support. And here, to perform this job successfully, an individual must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily. If we talk about the requirements, so here the company has mentioned that you should have at least 2 years of experience in technical support in product-based organization, preferably B2B SaaS, and resolving technical inquiries in a well-structured, professional manner. You should have a strong technical aptitude, analytical and troubleshooting skills, demonstrated ability to maintain self-control while diffusing stressful customer situations. You should have experience with ticketing systems, note-taking skills, and you should have experience working with a combination of inbound calls, chats, and follow-up emails to the customer for exceptional customer service. You should have excellent customer service attitude and ability to be a team player as well as work independently. And you should have a strong communication skill, both verbal and written, and you should be fluent in English. Now, if you talk about roles and responsibilities, so as a customer support representative, you will be providing exceptional customer service inclusive of excellent communication, responsive follow-through, and advocacy for customer issues within internal departments. You need to use judgment within defined practices and procedures. You will be working directly with other support team members of all levels as needed, and you will be maintaining solid customer relationships by handling their questions and concerns with speed and professionalism. You need to be accessible and available to multiple customers. You need to establish priorities and communicate rationale and time frame clearly to customers. You need to suggest articles to the knowledge base in an effort to promote self-help for customers. And you should be readily available with camera on to assist customers via Zoom video calls and address their questions or concerns in whatever they have. You will be receiving and recording incident-related information over the phone, chat, email, and or other channels using a variety of tools, techniques, and procedures. You will be conducting analysis, gather information, and troubleshoot customer issues. You need to resolve issues that require a broad range of troubleshooting skills related to software functionality or configuration, the internet, hardware, networking, and general technical issues pertaining to the high-level software solutions. So here you will be helping customers resolving their queries related to related to any kind of technical glitch, any kind of software related problem. Also, you will be working directly with team members to resolve customer issues and request enhancements for the products. And you will be actively contributing to a growing knowledge network that improves the effectiveness of their team and the information available to the customers. You will be participating in the testing of new product releases as well. Additionally, you will be resolving or recommending resolutions to customer problems. So this was it about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a customer support representative with high level. If you already have some experience in technical support or customer support representative in any tech company, you could be a good fit for this position. So go ahead and apply for this job. Check out all the details and you can fill up the application form. This is the application form that you can fill up and apply for the job. So thank you for listening.